Hello everybody, my name is the Hooded Pig and welcome to Goat Simulator. And I've been wanting to play this for a while on the channel, so this is going to be fun. My first target. Hello sir! Can I take him with me? Yes I can! 10 out of 10. Best game. We're going on the trampoline. Call you Jeffrey. Oh cool, I can go really high. I'm already enjoying this. This is fantastic. Next gen. Okay, we'll leave him here. You be good now. Yo, what's up, girl? I like this game a lot. Oh, did I just run on the wall? Okay, I've already got the statue beyond this dude. And I saw something at the top here, and I'll go check that out. Looks cool. Okay, let's go in here. Can we go in? Oh my god, what is this? My god. Bow down to me, fools. Okay, let's go up here. Go sit on this. Oh god. What happened to me? What? What the hell? R to summon peasants. Okay, let's press R. Nothing happened. Keep pressing it. Oh, that's fantastic. Can I get in here? Oh, okay. Come on. Oh, is there a door or something I can use, or is this the only way? God damn it. It's impossible. Oh, there's a door. Okay. What's this thing? Oh, hell yeah. So I press R to shoot something, and then it summons a peasant. Oh my god, that's fantastic. Wow. Can we go in a house? Yes. My domain now. Can I summon peasants indoors? Or do they just go on to yep, they just hit the ceiling, I think. You all will fall to the mighty power of the goat. That's not what I meant to do. That is. Oh, a firework. That looks good. Oh, God. Let me get in their window. That doesn't sound creepy at all. Okay. Come on, let me get in the window. Oh. It's a raining goats. Hallelujah. Why am I in slow motion? Oh, yeah, there we go. Now, I've got an idea. What if I can blow this up with a tennis ball? No, don't want to lick that person. What if we just go and headbutt it? Oh, God. Where am I? I'm in space. Oh, my God. That was fantastic. Oh, okay. Q is to ragdoll. Whoa. Bruh, this is my neighborhood. You ain't welcome here. Oh, God. Did we destroy... I destroyed the gas station. Oh, God. Get up. Get... What happened here? I honestly have no idea what happened here. I didn't do it. Oh, I messed up the shop as well. That's fantastic. With me, peasants. With me. Okay, let's go in this place. Low gravity testing facility. See what this does. Can I break the fence down, at least? Nope. Well. Ha! Can I go in? Well, I feel like this is going to be breakable. Yes. Yes, it is. What is that? Ragdoll skate. I'm definitely trying this. Go up the ramp, goatee. Screw it, we'll just flop. Oh, you can actually go really fast on it. That's awesome. We get to the top of the ramp, then we'll knock all those cans down. Knock all the cans. The number of cans in this place is too damn high. Huzzah! That was a bit rubbish. What's this place? A bike! Can I ride it? Okay. Bike doesn't like me. Oh god, I can ride it. I think there might be a bike in a better place somewhere, because that is obviously not good placement. I cannot ride under these conditions, I'm a professional. Okay. Oh, there's an entrance. What does this do? Oh, crap. What am I doing? Peasants, join me. Oh, they don't go. They only hit the ceiling. How do I get out of here? Oh, what's that do? What's this thing do? Oh God! What the hell? Oh God! I'ma fly forever. Oh, I landed it. Too much skills. Too much skills. Too much skills. Oh crap! Screw you. Can I headbutt it? I'm ready for you this time. I'll shoot peasants at you. Then I'll headbutt you. Did I get him? Nope, that will hit someone else. Ha! Okay, that did not work. I wonder if I can grab onto it. Nah. You suck. Okay, so let's go on to the other map. I want to go on to the other map. We're gonna go, and I know from a video that there is Deadmau5 in this map, and you can become him. So we're gonna do that then. I think we have to go on custom game, do we? Yes. That is the map, I believe. Okay. This is very much big. Oh, there's a roller coaster in the background there. I want to go to the top of that building. Screw all those little buildings. Oh yeah, I tried this game a little bit before, and I went into the elevator here, and I got stuck inside it, and it pushed me out the map, and I got achievement for headbutting a glitch. So that was cool. That is not how you correctly use an elevator, sir. Can't contain the party. The hell is going on there? There's supposed to be a massive party here. They're already scared of me. Love me. What the hell are you doing, mate? I'm taking over this place. Oh, hell yes. Art a party. Oh, I can play my own music. Screw you guys, I'm going home. Can I control myself in the air? Yes. A little bit. Maybe. Land it. Land it. Oh! I'm going to space! That needs some music right up here. Oh god, I'm gonna land right in the ocean. To land. Land on land. God damn it. Oh my god, that was fantastic. This is definitely how you swim. Turn my music off. Save that for when there's people. No, I want a ragdoll. No, I can't move one ragdoll in. That sucks. Let's go sprinting. Wall ride! Oh. That ended well. Let's go just roller coaster over here. I'm just trotting along. Okay. Okay. Can we go in the sewers? I want to go in the sewers. Wait, was that a person in there? No, Steam. Go through here. Oh god, I can! I don't remember if I've done this before or not. Oh my god, Ninja Turtles! Pee off. I think I might have done this before. I don't really remember it. I don't know, maybe... No, I don't know, I don't... Michael Bay Turtles. Oh god. Exit. Exit before you die. Dead mouse out. Can I make the Michael Bay Turtles party? Yes? They're gonna punch me and party at the same time. Oh, I can press R to be disgusting. Okay. I can party and be disgusting at the same time. Cool. What great powers. So glad I have them. I did it. I didn't do it. What the hell? Fences are not my friend. Okay. Is no one gonna be able to pay attention to the people that are just flopping on the floor over here? Okay. Okay, let's go sort this. Let's go get this roller coaster ride going on. You know. We got to do this. There's a bouncy house, so I'm gonna try and drop into that off the roller coaster because I'm just too much of a gangster. Okay. What's this? Some batteries could spice things up. Okay, let's go find some batteries. Is that a battery? Oh, it's a car battery. Will that work? Hope so. I want to go roller coaster. Power up! Oh, I missed the elevator. God damn it. Damn it to hell. Gosh darn it, Bill. You know what to do. Dead goat. Party! Just pushed him off. Come to me, elevator. Okay. Oh god, that almost crushed my head. Nice elevator music. Can I get it out now? What? Oh god. Good. We'll just... Yeah, this is the safe way to ride. Bye, have a great time. What am I doing? That was so crap. Oh my god. I was expecting to stay on for more than 5 seconds. Oh cool, I can get my picture took. Did you get it? Beautiful. Let's go cut in line over here. Oh my god. That's fantastic. Can I drop into another cart? Nope. Well, okay, I think on that note, I'm just going to leave it here because I'm running out of screen time. So, if you want more, just put it down in the comments if you want more. So, bye. Bye for now, I guess.